Master Kapil Singh,
And I, Pranshu Johri,
reporting from our school ground. Alone we can do so little and together we can do so much. Yeah, so good morning everyone. I'm Master Kapil Singh and my partner
Ms. Pranshu Johri from St. Joseph Convent School, Khandwa.
are here to introduce you all with our exciting tournaments between our fathers and the SJC team boys. So, what is your guessing about our today's match, Pranshu?
I think the match is so cut as both the teams are fired with a motive to win the match.
Yes, I think you are right, Pranshu. So, could you please introduce our teams?
Yeah, why not couple? Let's have a quick review about our match and
Let's get started.
I warmly welcome the fathers to SJC family, and I wish you all the best. And I do not dive dilemma. For whom should I cheer today? Ultimately, it is for my students.
Yes, we support you. We encourage you. I
wish you all the luck. Play well, play smartly. Also, focus on defense. And I am waiting to see you talk one another. Thank you. All the best.
A good coach can change a game and a great coach can change a life. So what do you understand with this quote, Pranshu?
yeah, I realize that a coach is everything for a team. Without a coach, a team is incomplete.
It is right. So now let us introduce our coaches and take some interesting facts from them.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Audience are so excited about today's match. What's gonna happen today?
Yes, a very good morning to everyone. Myself Manju Chandel. I am a sports teacher here. I have gathered for friendly basketball tournament conducted among students. But today we have match our fathers versus SJC boys. My best wishes both of the team and thank you so much.
What are your reviews about this match?
A very good morning. Manjuman and me, we both are warmly welcome to one and all present here. My name is Vikas Moe. I am a physical education teacher and a sport teacher in St. Joseph Convent School. Manju ma'am told us today is a friendly basketball match. Our school team is going to compete with father's team and we both are very excited to watch this energetic match. Few weeks before, Manju ma'am told me fathers practicing a lot daily basketball. They are good in basketball, but no doubt our capabilities. We are practicing a lot for win this match. So it will gonna be a neck-to-neck competition between both the teams. I strongly believe that at the end of this match, the result in favor of St. Joseph Convent School boys team. And the best, my best wishes for both the teams. Do your best, give your best, and win the match. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So, this was the reviews.
Kapil, the match is about to start. So now, let's take the audience into a cheerful occasion and a sportsmanship mood.
Yeah, let's come. The match was very interesting. So let's now take the review of our audience. What is their opinion about this match? So now, what are your reviews about this match?
This was a super exciting match. We have seen first time that fathers have played a tough competition with our school boys, and we enjoyed it a lot.
What are your reviews about this match?
They played very well, especially the fathers played a very tough competition. They were very difficult to beat.
Thank you.
Was also have given the tough competition to the father, and both teams played a well. Thank you.
What do you think about today's match?
Both teams play really very well. But at last I want to say that one team have to lose and one have to win.
What do you think about today's match?
That was an amazing combination of fathers and students playing together. This was a very nice idea. The players played with great sportsmanship and team spirit. I think they played very enthusiastically.
What's your review about the match?
The match was very interesting, and I want to tell that it was the first time when I saw the father and the students playing together. It was very fabulous.
Let's have reviews from our respected teachers. Let's go.
This event so we are happy to have fathers here playing in our court, and I am very sure they are doing it quite right. They are playing it smartly, and our students are more focusing on defense. I am happy about this is happening in our school.
For today's match.
I wish our students are quite well. They are doing very well, and they will win. And we are also happy to have this match with both the students as well as fathers. Team spirit is.
Good morning, sir. How was your experience after playing with the SJC boys?
Yeah, first of all, we thank the school management and the organizers for giving us this wonderful opportunity to play with these young boys. It was a very good game, and we all played with the sportsman spirit. And it was a very good game for us. After a long time, all of us are coming together to play, and it was a nice chance to play with these young, energetic boys. And we all liked the game, the way they played the game, and it was also a nice, enriching experience for all of us to play this game, and we all enjoyed. It was a very good game.
Thank you.
Good opportunity for our school, and I thank you, dear fathers, for your cooperation, and our students did excel. Thank you. Congratulations to all of you, and congratulations to the fathers. I know we have such young, energetic and vibrant fathers here, and our students proved their capabilities. Thank you. Congratulations.